Hi, welcome to my Photoshop tutorial series. This is Lisa Saad. Today we're looking at the gradient tool in Photoshop. The gradient tool in Photoshop allows you to create smooth transitions between colors, adding depth and dimension to your designs. Whether you're working on a background, shading an object, or creating a color effect, the gradient tool offers a variety of options to achieve the look you desire. To start using the gradient tool, select it from the toolbar and press G on your keyboard. To create a gradient, click on your canvas where you want the gradient to start, then drag to where you want it to end. The direction and length of your drag will affect the gradient's appearance. Short drag creates more intense and concentrated gradient. Long drag produces a smoother and more spread out gradient. You can control the angle of the gradient. The angle determines the direction in which the colors transition. 0 degrees horizontal, the gradient moves from left to right. 90 degrees vertical, the gradient transitions from top to bottom. 180 degrees reverse horizontal, the gradient moves from right to left. 270 degrees reverse vertical, the gradient transitions from bottom to top. Custom angles, you can set any angle by inputting a specific value in the angle box in the options bar, allowing for diagonal gradients at precise angles like 45 degrees or 135 degrees. Click on the gradient preview in the options bar to open the gradient editor where you can fine-tune your gradient. You can adjust the colors, add stops, and control the opacity of each color stop. To reverse the orders of colors in your gradient, check the reverse box in the options bar. In the options bar, you'll see various gradient types, each offering a unique way to apply color. Linear gradient, colors transition in a straight line from the start point to the end point. Radial gradient, colors radiate outward from a central point, forming a circle gradient. Angle gradient, colors sweep around the start point in a counterclockwise direction, creating a conical pattern. Reflected gradient, colors mirror themselves on either side of the start point, ideal for symmetrical effects. Diamond gradient, colors radiate from the start point in a diamond shape. Let's say you have a photo of headphones and you've removed the background using the selection tool. Now you want to add a soft spotlight behind the headphones to make them stand out. Start by selecting a gradient that complements the headphones colors. For example, choose a gradient where one side is dark and the other side is light. This will create a spotlight effect. Click and drag to draw the gradients behind the headphones. You can adjust the gradient's positioning and angle to get a perfect spotlight effect. Highlight the headphones and making the background look more dynamic. The gradient tool is a versatile feature in Photoshop that, when mastered, can significantly enhance your creative projects. By understanding the different types of gradients, angles, and editing options, you can create dynamic and visually appealing designs. Experiment with various settings to discover unique effects that suit your artistic vision. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.